Just hours ago, the Federal Reserve announced it is cutting the interest rate for the first time in years. It's a move many Americans have been waiting for, and it could be the first rate cut of several. But experts say our wallets won't likely see an immediate impact, as ABC's Rena Roy explains.
A pivotal move from the Federal Reserve today, cutting interest rates for the first time in 4 years. The Fed reducing rates 0.5 percentage point.
This recalibration of our policy stance will help maintain the strength of the economy and the labor market, and will continue to enable further progress on inflation as we begin the process of moving toward a more neutral stance.
Americans have been dealing with high borrowing costs for everything from mortgages to credit cards. If you've been carrying a balance on your credit card, you've felt the sting of high rates, with the average APR now near 21% according to Bankrate. A rate cut could mean a slight decrease there.
You might just see a couple of dollars difference in your monthly payment due on your credit card, about under $10 a month less for that car loan, and about $50 a month on an average interest rate for a mortgage.
The Fed dialing back its years-long fight against inflation, which has slowed dramatically from its peak of about 9% in 2022.
We're now at 2.5%. We have dramatically come down, much closer to the Fed's 2% target. But look at here. The unemployment rate has ticked up at the same time to 4.2%, and that's what's troubling for the Fed.
The Fed remaining cautious.
We will continue to make our decisions meeting by meeting. We know that reducing policy restraint too quickly could hinder progress on inflation. At the same time, reducing restraint too slowly could unduly weaken economic activity and employment.
The good news here, this is expected to be the first of many interest rate cuts from the Fed. They could last through next year. Credit card rates could possibly be even 2 percentage points lower than what we're seeing today. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.